Huey, where are you?
I'm here.
Let's do the video.
Yeah.
Hey, Huey.
Hey, Obadiah.
I want to talk to you today about transpiration.
Transportation?
No. Transpiration.
What's that?
Say it.
Transpiration?
Perfect. Transpiration is part of the water cycle. It's part of evaporation, but it's not regular evaporation. It involves plants like this. Well, all this water is underneath the ground, and it comes up and it feeds and helps these plants grow, and it comes up through the roots, and then through the stem, and then it gets to the leaves. Then what happens, Huey?
It grows.
The plant grows, but then what happens to the water?
I have no idea.
It evaporates through the leaves. And that process of going from the roots all the way through the plants, throughout the leaves, and out to evaporate into the sky, that's called
Transpiration!
transpiration.
I'm getting smart.
You are smart.
Thanks.
You too.
In another video, we talked about why to wash your hands and when to wash your hands.
Thank you. Good night.
Huey, we need to talk about how to wash your hands.
Step 1. Use water. Done.
I'm going to teach you how to wash your hands like a pro. Step 1, get your hands wet. Step 2, get soapy. Step 3, rub your hands thoroughly, and remember, get between your fingers. Step 4, do this for 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Here's a pro tip. Sing happy birthday twice.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Slowly.
birthday to you.
Then rinse your hands thoroughly and dry them off with a clean towel. And that's a way to make this a good day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pewee. Happy birthday to you. I'm done washing now. Colder and hotter make cycles of water up and down, round and round, round and round.
Check out the boomer dancing.
Sun is hot, ocean warms, water temperature transforms, evaporation.
Evaporation.
Say goodbye.
Aloha.
Vapor cools, clouds are formed, water stirring up a storm. Condensation
Condensation.
in the sky. And then the sun smile turns to a frown.
That's a bummer.
Precipitation falls to the ground.
I smell wet dog.
But it's good. On mountain top, melted snow fills the creeks and the rivers flow. Accumulation in
Accumulation.
the sea below. Colder and hotter make cycles of water up and down, round and round.
La la.
Round and round.
La la.